So Carl,
Yes.
tell me, how did you kind of get into portrait painting?
I came. I've always been interested in painting, and when I was younger, I went and lived in Prague and Florence, so I could study the art in those cities, and particularly in Florence, where I worked as a teacher. I spent a lot of time making studies of Renaissance sculpture, and also in Greece and Turkey doing similar things with classical work. And then when I came back to the UK, I painted and drew for a long time from the nude, and then just in the last few years I've been working in portraiture, inspired initially by a musician friend who offered to sit for me, and then subsequently got more involved in painting musicians in South Wales, and then more recently other performers, dancers and actors and comedians in particular, a couple of poets for exhibitions and in 2014.